Section 2, Unit 8, Maintenance, Lubrication, and Cutting Fluid Overview. Maintenance. Machine tools require periodic maintenance and repair. Lubricants cool moving parts, reduce friction, and prevent seizing. Lubricant application methods include reservoirs, oil cups, ball oiler, grease zerks. Check moving parts for wear and damage. A. Pulling the pump on a central reservoir or one shot, and B. Can distribute oil to several different lubrication points through the multiple oil lines. The gearbox on this lathe holds the oil that lubricates the gears that control the machine. The filler is at the upper right and the drain is at the lower right. B is a sight glass verifies that oil is being circulated through the machine. Oil cups like these may fill a small reservoir or allow oil to slowly flow to a specific lubrication point. Simply lift the cap and fill until the oil is visible in the cup. This ball oiler allows oil to be applied between two machine tool sliding surfaces that could not otherwise be reached. Depress the ball with the oil container nozzle and pump the container handle to apply the oil. A grease gun is pressed onto a zerk so that grease can be pumped into a required location. The tapered gib can be adjusted by turning the screw to tighten the fit between surfaces of a dovetail machine tool slide. Cutting fluids. Substance applied to the cutting area. Cool and reduce friction. Wash away debris. May be oil-based or chemical-based. Some must be diluted in water. Refractometers measure concentrations. Some applications use cold air guns or solid, semi-solid cutting compounds instead. Methods of application: manual flood, mist, and MQL. Lubricity versus cooling, and greater lubricity versus greater cooling. So straight oils, soluble oils, semi-synthetics, and pure synthetics. An example of sulfurized chlorinated cutting oil. So it's very dark. And then a soluble oil is mixed with water to produce a milky white cutting fluid. A chemical-based cutting fluid concentrate is on A, and then B is the product after mixing with water. The cutting fluid mixture is placed on the glass of the refractometer, and then then the user looks through the eyepiece to read the scale. A simple refractometer meeting, the scale is read where the two colors meet. This reading is 16.5, which means a 16.5% cutting fluid concentration. A cold air gun being used to provide cooling during a milling operation. So it just blows air instead of using coolant. This stick cutting compound can be touched to a cutting blade before beginning the machining operation. The flood coolant in this CNC machine operates, cools, lubricates, and flushes away chips from the cutting area. A mist application for a milling operation, the cutting fluid is mixed with a stream of air and directed in the cutting area.